Hey guys, welcome back to my brand new video. This is Shriya and you're watching Shri Creates. So, uh, I'm trying to vlog daily, guys. Unless and until I vlog daily, I take the shorts. That won't be possible. That productivity is not remaining in me. So, like right now, a lot of stuff is going to happen. I mean, is happening because. Like there are few lab reviews, not few, much more lab reviews, and finals are approaching. That is the thing. There are project evaluations, right? So and उसमें से ये एक सर्दी किसी को ना आए, किसी को ना आए. So like things are literally moving faster than usual. Like I don't know what to say right now. So like right now, tomorrow, okay, today is 25th of May, that is Monday, and I have got all my ISA marks, like internal marks. They're pretty well, I guess. I have studied that much and I have got. So the most challenging subject for this ISA was signals and systems, like as I'm in fourth semester. So of my engineering, right? So like that I felt bit tricky. I got just blank when I saw that question paper and I scored really less. Not I did not fail, but the scoring was bit tough. And then like tomorrow the plan is like I have two lab evaluations, wherein I'll be having one arm, that is ARM processor and applications, and one more is of linear algebra, wherein I have to prepare the codes for few programs. That is like see, there are ARM subject is of like off chip peripherals. I have to prepare on chip peripherals. So there is a lot of work. Now speaking about the linear algebra, I do have there are four codes. Basically there are RGB, this calibration and all. I'll do that. I'll take you through. So I have to that, and I have to write journal also. Like journal completion is not that in the priority today. That can be submitted by this week. So I'll plan it that later. But on priority are two things wherein I'll be taking you through. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is what I have to prepare. I mean, there is LED. See, these are all off chip. Okay, so the evaluation is of off chip peripherals ka test. Like there is LED, alternative LED blink, that is one blink one off, one blink one off, Ring and Johnson counter, 7-segment display. I'll just keep these two on hold, that is Ring and Johnson counter, and keypad interfacing, that is important. Switch control is important. DC motor interfacing is important, and stepper motor is important. So basically living Ring and Johnson counter, I have to do it all. And there are see, whatever you see over here, that is very important, like for my tomorrow's exam point of view, and I have to be really productive throughout this. You saw now was, I mean, that's huge, okay, for tomorrow, because I have to do that linear algebra also and this also. That's going to be tough. And by the way, like I changed my specs. I forgot to say you in the last video, but this is what pehle wala wo transparent tha, and then today, like this time, my number literally got reduced by 1. I don't know what was that, but this really got reduced. Like यहाँ पे left eye is of 1.25 now, and right eye is 1. It's minus. Okay, so मेरे को far vision नहीं दिखता है, so it's like hypermetropia बोलते हैं शायद उसको, I don't know. So yeah, पढ़ा था. Now let's get started. Okay, so yeah. So guys, like half of thing is completed, so I didn't want it to make the video so long so that you also get bored while me studying like this. So I thought to stop it over here. Like half of the arm is completed, and now I'm doing the pin configurations of rest of the things, and then I'll be done with arm. Now after that I'll be doing linear algebra, and I'll be revising these programs once again, and I'll go to sleep. Like right now it is 7:45, so I'll just end my vlog over here today's. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you can get more such videos, and I hope I'm motivating you through all these. And yeah, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.